In this video, I show you how to reset the layout in Audacity back to its default settings. So let's start right now. Hi everyone, my name is Joe and welcome to Ubitronics. On this channel, I show you how to use open source software. Today, we're looking at Audacity and how to reset the default layout. So why may you want to do this? Well, when you're playing around with Audacity and first starting out, you might find that you've clicked and dragged and untoggled some of the toolbars. Well, that can be really unhelpful at times, and then you might be wondering where certain tools are and not able to find them. So the simple thing to do is to reset to the default layout, so you can either start again on reconfiguring your layout or use the default layout so you know where everything is. And this is completely your choice, but my personal recommendation for you would be to use the default layout. To get back to the default layout, come up to Tools and then go to Reset Configuration. And that will put everything back into its default location. Now, one last thing before you go. I know that you've been watching this video to learn how to perform a specific task. And I truly hope that I've been able to help, but I also believe that what I'm about to tell you may benefit you as well. I coach new content creators and personal brands to create a solid foundation for their digital business and produce professional content with free software tools. I do this to help people by giving them everything they need, which includes answering questions, teaching software, joining our community, and providing monetization options. Everything I give will help a creator to start sharing content, grow their business, and have a greater impact online. And unlike other coaches that suggest expensive outsourcing options or trainers that focus on premium software packages, I give professional individuals like yourself everything they need to break through the confusion without getting overwhelmed by business jargon or software choices or incurring any hidden costs. So if you're interested in putting your content out there but simply don't know how or have concerns about your technical ability, I can help you. My signature course is specifically designed to help anyone that feels scared to try new technology or learn new software, but at the same time has a real drive and passion to get their message online. So I'd like to introduce my signature course, Digital Creator Academy, and if you'd like more information, then visit my website. All the full details are there. I'll leave a link in the description below so you have everything you need to finally take action and start building towards your dream. So go and check out that link right now, and if you think we'll be a good fit, then consider signing up or joining the waitlist, and before you know it, you will have the skills to finally start creating content, growing your business, and having greater impact online. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you inside the course. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.